Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a short review on the October BarkBox. We got the mail here. Let's see, so you open it up here. They have their little kind of graphic here, their little design, and you get it's kind of the meat of the box here. You get a ghost drinking a beer toy. Get another squeaky, I don't know if this is, yeah, squeaky toy here. And then a pumpkin vomiting toy. Always a crowd favorite. And then, let's see, looks like we got some magic morsels with oatmeal and mixed berries. I think my dog will definitely enjoy those. And then we got the jerky sticks here. And then another chew stick. And then they kind of describe what's going on down there with everything. So let's take these upstairs, let's show them to my dog. We'll dress him up in a costume in the Halloween spirit. I hope you all enjoy.